Maths 2, lesson number 1, similarity. In our previous video, we have seen the properties of similarity and also activities of similarity. Now, we are going to see practice set 1.1, which is also based on the same properties of similarity. So, see students, first sum from the practice set 1.1 is the base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. And the question is given, find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So here what is the question given? Question is given the ratio of the areas of triangles. So now here in this sum there are two triangles given. So here we'll write the first information about the triangles. So for the first triangle, we are going to consider height, base and area. So I'll consider, let A1 be the area of first triangle, B1 area of triangle, that is the area of first triangle. Now its base B1 equal to, now what is given here? Base of a triangle is given 9. So B1 I will write 9. Now I am going to write the next information, that is base is given 5. So I will write, height is given 5. So I will write height H1 equal to 5. So this is the information for first triangle. Now here the second information, that is base of another triangle. So for the second triangle, I will consider, let A2 area of triangle. Accordingly, I will consider for A2 base, for base we will consider B2. So B2 is equal to 10. Height is 6. So I will consider H2 as 6. So this is all the information of both the triangles. Now we are going to apply the property. So here students, both bases and heights are given. So they are different. So here the first property is applicable. So we are going to write, therefore, by the property of similarity, property is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1, B2 into H2. So this is the first property, and now we are going to substitute the values. That is B1 value is 9. So I will write in the place of B1 9. In the place of H1 we are going to write value, that is 5. Here B2 is given 10. So B2 is 10. H2 is 6. So H2 is 6. Now here if you observe, diagonally I can cancel with 5 stable. So I can cancel this. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 9 and 6 both are there in the table of 3. So I'll use 3 twos are and 3 threes are. So now in the numerator 3 into 1, it is 3. Denominator 2 into 2, it's 4. So ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the 3 upon 4. So here how to write? Therefore accordingly, question wise we will write the answer. The ratio of areas of given triangles equal to 3 is to 4. We are going to see the second sum from practice set. So second sum is, in the figure, this BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is given 4, AD is given 8. Here students, if you observe in the triangle ABC, this BC will be the height, AB will be the base. In triangle ABD, again this AB is a base and AD is a height. So in both the triangle, if you observe, AB is a common base. So the areas of both the triangles is proportional to their corresponding heights. So here we are going to apply the property that when the base same, then ratio of the areas of the two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So here I will write in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, what is same here? Base AB is common. You can say common or same. Therefore, A1 upon A2 equal to H1 upon H2. Now this property we are going to apply. Now A1 means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to, now what is H1? H1 is BC. So I will write BC upon, what is H2? H2 is AD. So I will write it here AD. Therefore, now I am going to put the value, that is BC is 4, AD is 8. Now these numbers can be cancelled with the 4's table. So 4 1s are 4 2s are. So here we got the answer. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equal to, now what is remaining? 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is the answer.